Okay guys, so we do have a special breakfast request and you cannot say no to that. So we're gonna make some crepes. Okay guys, so now that we are done with breakfast, I do want to start working on the girls' hair because we do love to take lots and lots and lots of pictures of them. So one down. We're moving on to the next one. And now, time to take pictures.
Where am I gonna be right here? Oh, who's over here? On this side? On this side?
Yeah.
Perfect.
And then turn the one here.
For me, it looks perfect.
The girls have requested Peter Piper pizza for their dinner. So now we are waiting for my husband to bring the pizza. So we have a very, very hungry birthday girl. And the pizza is here. So we got a salad. And then we got some wings. And some pizza. to you.
Make a wish.
Make a wish. Yay! Okay guys, so it has been 2 days after the girls' birthday, and the girls wanted to do a honk parade. So last year we had a honk parade for them during the pandemic and they loved it, and this year they wanted just one more honk parade. So we planned to do it, we just didn't know when, because this week has been crazy with rain. So it said that today was gonna be awesome weather, 0%, 10% rain. We said it's wonderful, let's do this. Well, it's already 5 o'clock and the parade starts at 6:30 and it is pouring outside, pouring. So hopefully it clears up pretty soon so we can just do this honk parade. Food is ready to go. We made some brisket and we're buying pizzas. So food is ready to go, we're ready to go. Let's hope this clears up. Okay guys, so brisket is ready to go. Also, this is where we're gonna put the pizzas. It has chips, the cookies are ready. We're just ready to go. We are just waiting on this weather. This is still our weather right now. I mean, it's sprinkling, so I am hoping it will clear soon. Okay guys, so the pizza is here and now it is time to get these ready to go. Okay guys, so thankfully it did clear up. Yes. So we got everything ready. Everything's ready to go. This is the brisket, this is the pizza, and we are ready. Are you girls so excited? Yay! We're almost there. Yay! Oh look, who came to say hi?
Oh, hi Marley.
Hi Marley. Hi Cookie. Okay guys, so today I am the leader of the honk parade. Last year I was the leader and this year I am leading them again. Right now it is 6:11 and Voni, which is my aunt, and my grandma are here and we're waiting for everyone else before we get started. It was a little bit rainy, right now it's good. I was able to rinse off my cart and ride on it, as you guys can see right there. But I will record this and bring you all along with us. Oh my goodness, you can start. Please don't start.